Hey guys, let me do the short video of the sound quality of Xdobo Vibe Plus. This power on, I've already put it on. Once you get on, you get the power. You've got the equalizer, you can change full range, bass, and maybe a short range, which has got a little bass if you don't want really much bass. This is you can switch this light and three different mode. There's one that plays with the rhythm, there's one that lights full. If you want to save the battery, you can switch it off, those disco lights. And you have got minus plus, those are volume, and you have got a battery. Right now it's charging. Once you see the 4 bars, so you have the full battery once it switches off. So this radio or this speaker, Bluetooth speaker, can do as a power bank at the same time because of the bigger capacity battery of around 10,000 mAh inside inbuilt. So let's go straight to the sound quality. So 100%. So that's 100%. Let me do 50% volume and let's see the difference. Okay, that's it. That's 50%. So let me put the disco light that goes with the rhythm. So you've got several functionality here. So let me go back to 100. So that is it. Do crazy. So let me do crazy volume and let's do the next.
Ninamjua aliye mwamba, aliyeniokoa ni Bwana Yesu. Ninamjua aliye mwamba, aliyeniokoa ni Bwana Yesu. Ninamjua.
So guys, here we have it. So this is Xdobo Vibe Plus. So this is a short review. You can subscribe on my YouTube channel. You can check Vinitech, and you are going to make this video and even its unboxing. So I'm going to bring the different variety of the speaker from Xdobo. This one is bigger, they are smaller version, which are equally good like Xdobo BTML Boss Plus. I can confidently say that it does better than JBL so-called Flip 6. I don't know, but I tested and the bass of Xdobo BTML does better. So this one is comparable to speakers that are costing around 20,000 and above or 30,000. So stay tuned. This is my short review.